Our customers' challenges are our challenges. At Fuji Electric FA Components and Systems, as a leading supplier of control panel components, we strive to provide solutions that really understand our customers' issues. What are the management challenges in the manufacturing industry? One challenge is to secure staff resources. In Japan, it is forecast that there will be a decrease of 1 million workers from 2014 to 2020, causing a critical labor shortage. In particular, the electronics industry is seeing increased demand, so companies have to think seriously about how to deal with this shortage. Design engineers. An issue design engineers face when drawing up designs for control panels is that it is difficult to secure installation space because there has been an increase in mounted equipment in order to optimize and differentiate devices. On the manufacturing side, higher production efficiency is required to meet increased production demand. The end users would like to easily be able to add their equipment and change specifications. They would like to reduce maintenance times. These are the kind of things they worry about. What exactly can we do to help with these challenges? Oh. What would happen without screws? At Fuji Electric FA Components and Systems, we believe that equipment using spring terminals, which do not need screws, will help to solve customers' issues. Some manufacturers had the same idea, and so labor-saving equipment using spring terminals has begun to appear on the market, but most of this equipment uses control circuit components for a comparatively low electric current. It is difficult to develop components for the main circuit with a high electric current, and total labor savings have not yet been achieved. At Fuji Electric FA Components and Systems, as a leading company in the FA components field, we dove into the challenge and developed a way to use spring terminals for main circuit components. We prepared a lineup focusing on main circuit components, covering almost all capacities of control panel, up to 30A levels. The lineup is with spring terminals, also in control circuit components. By eliminating the screws, improved workability. Spring terminals just need simple insertion. Furthermore, adopting spring terminals with a push-in system is particularly easy to wire, and you can complete wiring without using any tools at all. Let's take a moment to compare wiring time for screw terminals and spring terminals. This shows how spring terminals reduce wiring time by around 30% compared to screw terminals. Improvements in maintenance. Spring terminals don't need regular retightening like screw terminals. These labor savings don't stop at just the manufacturing of panels and devices. There are savings across the whole product life cycle, from the inspections at dispatch to regular maintenance. Optimization of space usage within the panel. As wiring for the spring terminal is done from the front, the vertical wiring space is significantly reduced. Space savings, including wiring space savings, have many benefits. For example, it is easier to ensure room for IoT equipment of the future. Safety and reliability. Spring terminals ensure IP20 finger protection from all directions. In addition, there's no need for a terminal cover. There's also no need to worry about wiring loosening due to vibration or long-term use. Let's take a look at the reliability tests for spring terminals. Twisting test. Tensile test. No dropping due to twisting or tension. Vibration test. Screw terminals. This is a simulation of what happens when screws aren't tightened. Forgetting to tighten screws carries the risk of fire. Spring terminals. Vibration does not cause loosening. You can see just how reliable spring terminals are. In addition, all of the equipment developed for the current lineup integrates a unique design that pursues ease of use. Designed for installation and detaching of wires. There is a push-in system when installing wires that does not require tools. There is also a tool holding mechanism to hold tools so that users can operate with both hands. Designed for jumper connection. In jumper connections, it is common to overlay crimped terminals, but this double terminal structure has two terminals, external and branch terminals, in one phase. Furthermore, this model was designed to provide simplicity and improved wiring with relay and timer sockets that have holes for external wires and holes for branch wires in a zigzag arrangement. Designed to confirm wire insertion. Possible to carry out visual check of insertion after wire insertion on the wiring indicator via end position of the insulation ferrules. Designed to prevent operational mistakes. All models are standardized with round holes for wire insertion, square holes for tool insertion, and a partition line between faces. This design prevents operational mistakes. The whole lineup comes standardized with these designs that pursue ease of use. Let's take a look at the current lineup of models incorporating spring terminals we developed. We developed molded case circuit breakers and earth leakage circuit breakers from the foundations of the G-Twin high-performance miniature breaker. Achieves miniaturization with a width of 54 mm for 3-pole products. Manual motor starter MMS combines a breaker with thermal overload relay and is the perfect breaker for miniaturized motor circuits. This is a miniature highly current limiting, high-capacity breaker with a compact 45 mm width and a breaking capacity of up to 50 kA. Circuit protectors deliver the push-in mechanism while preserving a slim width of 17.5 mm per pole. The lineup includes 1-pole, 2-pole and 3-pole products. We even added push-in terminals to our magnetic Contactor SK series, which are some of the world's smallest models. Thermal overload relays also come with push-in terminals as well as all models of magnetic switches. Finally, models have unique specifications that pursue simplicity and improved wiring, with relay and timer sockets arranged in a zigzag arrangement. This is the completed concept control panel that came about as a result of striving to solve our customers' challenges. We put so many imaginative ideas into the development of this new labor-saving equipment. This is how we envision next-generation control panels. For example, concept control panel not only reduce labor, they also eliminate horizontal ducts by passing wires through the space under the DIN rail. This also improves the state of heat accumulation inside the panels. In addition, flattening of panel equipment eliminates the protrusion of external breaker handles and push buttons. We improved safety with respect to unnecessary operations and impact. Not only that, it's only possible to install IoT devices in a panel's dead space. Devices also deliver usage monitoring and preventative maintenance features. So, what do you think about Fuji Electric FA components and systems labor-saving equipment? And next-generation control panels? We solve the many challenges customers face. This is one of our answers. The full lineup for Fuji Electric spring terminal equipment is about to be launched.